Today, we're testing just how bullet-resistant the Cybertruck really is. Because, let's be honest, nothing is truly bulletproof. There's always a bigger bullet. But today, we'll find out scientifically where that line is drawn. From tiny .22 rounds all the way up to the legendary .50 cal. Let's see what it takes to stop a bullet.
With the burn test. All right.
Not a wheelchair company. Up to $15,000 on the line. First up, a Glock 19. A 9mm handgun firing 115-grain full metal jacket rounds. I'm taking 5 shots to see what happens. I've never shot at a $100,000 truck before, but Elon says it's bulletproof. Let's find out, scientifically.
Elon says it's bulletproof. That's wild. Oh, no way. Oh.
Did it?
That one went
Dang. Oh, that's sick. Look at this. Each divot warm to the touch, but no cracks. That's awesome. The Cybertruck, bulletproof to a 9mm for sure.
Three, two, one.
I was expecting a little more, but honestly, that's not bad. Yeah, we might even just leave that. Let's see if the window still rolls down. Oh no, I totally forgot about the window. There seems to be a huge misconception online. People think the windows of the Cybertruck are bulletproof. They're not. The armor glass we all saw during the original launch, that never actually made it into production. The glass on this truck is thin. Far too thin to stop a bullet. No matter the angle, the shape, or the hype, it's definitely not bulletproof. Still, that's awesome.